Let's go guys, Ichimoku technical analysis in only 3 minutes.
So we look at LTC, guys, and what we can see, we are inside this cloud now, so anything can happen. We can go all the way up and down, we can go every direction inside the cloud. However, since we've been touching here, you see on the 1st of October, our Tenkan daily, now the goal is to go touch our Kijun daily. And the Kijun daily is at 190, okay? What can happen in between is to get some pullback. However, we are inside the cloud. We had a bit of a slowdown here, but you see this SSB of the cloud kept us inside the cloud. Now we are keep pushing up. We could get out through those lines because it's not horizontal. However, it's going to keep us inside most probably till at least we go there up to our Kijun daily, guys. So at the moment, I wouldn't expect a pullback lower than the one yesterday, okay, and to keep pushing up down up to here before anything else happen. As per a 4 hours time frame, what do we see? Okay, we got pullback, run, pullback, run, pullback, and now we should go back into our run. When the run started last time, it started once we touch our Tenkan 4 hours. Here, the same, we haven't broke down the Kijun 4 hours before we push up. So we tested our Kijun here, and you see we rejected the test and go back into our normal way, pull back up to 192. So now wait for Tenkan 4 hours to be touched by our candle at 175.40, sorry, USDT for the pair, and then we keep looking for this Tenkan Kijun daily here, Tenkan daily, sorry, Kijun, my bad, to be touched by our candle, and then finally we can wait to see if we are testing it from above or we are going to get rejected by it and pull back down to our Kijun 4 hour. Shit.
Let's go guys, Ichimoku technical analysis in only 3 minutes.
So guys, we are looking at Litecoin LTC. We can see that we have a clear run coming up. That is already happening since the 29th of September. Since we've been touching our Tenkan daily, now we are looking for the Kijun daily, which is at 190 USDT for the pair. We are now inside the cloud, and it's still like it seems like the SSB is really doing its job of resisting our candle, because you can see here we've been testing it a couple times, 1, 2, 3 times, and then finally up we get away. So usually it's always like that. We test 3 times, so we enter it, then we test it back again and again, and go away. So this is pushing us up. So I wouldn't expect to go lower than what happened yesterday. I think our run is still going on. It should not slow down. We will have some resistance going on here on the Tenkan here. You can see at 193. Another one a bit under our Kijun daily at 187. Then we have the way to go to 190, 189 for the Kijun daily. This is what should happen. So now all we can wait for is when to re-enter the trade on a long, in case you guys have been shorting a bit, because you can see we went almost all the way to this resistance at 187, and now we are back to 179. So it's almost $10. So that could be a very good short position for whoever took the short position. So I'm looking at a 4 hours time frame now. My lagging has free way to go anywhere except when it's going to go back at the 183, sorry. Here it's going to have some difficulties and keep testing. So for sure we will be back there at some point and keep testing it. Hopefully only one time and keep pushing up, or we're going to go again bearish and then back into again. So some tests, few more tests, at least one is coming. Now when we are going into a bullish, when we are going back into a run, and when this is happening, most probably once we will touch our Tenkan 4 hours or Kijun 4 hours. As you can see what happened before here, we touch our Tenkan 4 hours and up we get a run. So expect something to happen only once you get there to the Tenkan 4 hours. You can then long up to this first price resistance of 183, and then the next one 187 up to the 190. So for that, then you look at how our candle will test our resistance. You look at a 1 hour time frame and wait to see it getting inside, closing above previous candle, etc., as I talk all the time in my other videos. So I invite you to watch more of my videos if you don't understand, or go to my website, my Discord, we can talk about it. See you guys.
Alright guys, let's subscribe to Starlight Crypt YouTube. Ichimoku Technical Analysis. Ichimoku the best. Ichimoku Starlight Crypt on YouTube. Subscribe.